Okay, now this is from June 16, question number, the last question, last part, okay? So we have to draw an arc diagram. So guys, please use the rulers for this, okay? And if you have a decent scale on it, you will find this easier to handle, okay? So this is like this, okay? So let me draw it in a way so that I can have a scale here. Okay, let me erase all of this. Yeah, I'll be using my tab Cupid. There are some marks here, so I'll be using so that I can maintain a scale here. Okay, so this is this. Yes. Okay, and then this is going to be like this. Okay, yeah, that's great. Okay, so I can have now the scale here. Yeah. So I am going to mark this as this, this, and this. Okay. And over here, this one, this one, this one. Okay. And yeah. So I'm just going to have the scale here, appropriate scale here, so that, okay. Now, I will not be in trouble while drawing this because now I have a reasonable scale here. Okay. So guys, you also follow this. Now it says on an organized sketch the loci of the points representing complex number W and Z such that W minus blah, blah, blah. Okay. So you see, you have to just change this a bit. You should write this as W minus, and then you write this in brackets 1 plus 2 iota modulus that is equal to 1. There has to be a minus between these two. That means W from this 1 plus 2 iota. Okay. So this is 1, 1. This is your 1 plus 2 iota. Please mention that this is your iota axis. There are marks for this. Okay. This is your real axis. Okay. Now I'm going to name this as a point A over here. Okay. That is this the center of this circle, and you see that now the circle should be touching this vertical axis, should be tangent on it. This will pass through this point, it will pass through this point, and then this point. Okay, so now let me draw the circle with a different color. Okay, you see I have been teaching all the day, and then I had classes teaching my students, the private students, from 6:30 to 9, and then I had just finished my namaz and the stuff, and then now I'm teaching you guys. Okay, now this is your circle. You will forgive me for this extra thing here. Yeah, okay, yes, this is fine. Okay, now so this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3, this is your 1. So are you clear that why do I have to show that this vertical axis is a tangent onto it? Yes. Yes, bacho. Why I am supposed to show that this vertical axis is a tangent onto the circle? Hmm?
So the radius is 1 and
Very good, because the
Because the
radius,
modulus is 1.
the radius is 1 here. The modulus is 1. So this has to be maintained as 1. Okay, anyhow. Now next it says the argument of z minus 1 is this. Now you have to change this as well, okay? You will write it as argument of z minus, and then you maintain that minus here, okay? So I'll write it as 1 plus 0 iota, and that is equal to 3 pi by 4. That is 3 pi by 4, okay? So the center, the vertex of this argument is now 1, 0. So here is 1, 0, okay? So that means the x's have to be like this. This is going to be your x's here, okay? The new axis for this. Now, you have to show the argument of 3 pi by 4. Now, you must be very clever over here to draw it like this without using the set squares, the compass. You have to show that this is this locus, like, passing through this point 1. Will someone tell that why do I need to show that, this locus of z? This is the, you must mention here that this is the locus of Z over here, and with the blue, I would say that this is the locus of W. Okay, this is the locus of W. So this circumference contains um, the W, and this should rather be a solid line. Why am I drawing this a dotted line? So this has to be a solid line going like this. So Z is anywhere on this come on, yeah, people, you're still entering into this party room, okay? Now, Z is anywhere on this red line and W is anywhere on this circumference, okay? Are you clear that why do you need to show this red line passing through 0, 1? Yes?
No, sir, can you explain
Sir,
this?
yeah, sir, can you please explain this?
Oh, come on, beta. Because if this angle has to be 135, then this angle has to be 45. This can only be 45 because if you maintain this as an isosceles triangle. You see? That is why you study mathematics, how deeply you have to think. People are always saying, sir, why are we studying mathematics? Where will I be applying all this? So this is the mathematics that will make your brain a stronger brain, okay? So you have to go in this much detail, beta. Now, is it clear that why do you need to show it passing through the 0, 1? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
है ना? जबरदस्ती ऐसा कह रहे हो? Hmm? Anyhow.
सर
नहीं
हम
सर, समझ
लाइक
आ
जीरो
गया।
अच्छा, yes,
जीरो
yes.
टू में से भी तो पास, 02 से हम पास नहीं कर सकते, लाइक उससे भी तो एंगल
If
135 ही बनेगा.
Oh, come on. How genius you people are, mashallah. Like, you're starting from
सर
here.
ये तो एक्सिस की लेबलिंग पे डिपेंड करेगा, एंगल तो कहीं से भी नहीं पास कर सकता.
नहीं बेटा, ये देखो, ये
सर
देखो.
लेकिन 10
तो सर
नहीं।
अगर मैं थोड़े से छोटे बना दूं अगर
स्मार्ट
डिविजन्स,
पड़ेगी बेटा
तो ये
फिर
तो
आपको.
टू में से.
नहीं ना बेटा, देखें, I have taken a lot of time in drawing all this. You see, when I drew the lines first, I erased them. Then I use my tab for these markings. So that is what I'm saying. Use a ruler, take a decent, reasonable scale, okay? If you want to take it in Penduish style, choice is all yours. That is not becoming like a good mathematician then, okay? If you don't care about the scale, what kind of a mathematician you are then? Hmm? I think this was Anuj who was saying all this. Yes? Hmm? बोलो जल्दी. आप देखा ना, चुप कर गई है, साथ ही डर गई है.
सर
नहीं सर मैं इधर ही हूँ अभी भी.
हाँ. अच्छा, समझ आई है कि why this scale is so important? Yes, बच्चों.
सर हम
जी
20
सर
से
थोड़ा सा.
जानवी को मेजर कर सकते हैं।
बेटा ना करो बेटा, आजाद हो जाओ. You are, I mean, um, a trained mathematician now. You are free of these tools. You see, we're drawing this circle without a compass. Come on. Yes, you can use a ruler. You must have that ruler with you. Okay, someone from you was saying that, okay, I can pass this from 0 to. So do you think this angle is 45? Yes. Is it sensible to say that this angle is 45? Is there any solid reason for that? Hmm? Yes, come on. बोलो यार, बोलो.
सर ग्रेडियंट 1 नहीं होगा,
क्या
मतलब 1
gradient?
1/1.
Is it 1 over 1? Hmm?
नहीं, gradient is 2 minus 2.
So फिर you have to maintain that ratio 1 over here. That is why this should be 1. This should be 1 over here. So you have to show it passing through this 0, 1. Okay? Can I proceed now? Can I complete this question?
जी
Yes?
सर।
Okay. Now it says calculate the least value of W minus Z modulus. What does this modulus represent? Yes. What
सर
does this
डिस्टेंस दोनों का.
distance? Very good, beta. So we have to give the least distance. This is your point. W is anywhere on this circle, circumference. your z is anywhere on this z, I mean on this line. So you have to draw a perpendicular from here. Okay, when you draw a perpendicular from here, so this is, you see, it is somewhere over here. This means if your w is here, your z is here, so this is the least distance between them. Do you think that it can be any at any other place? Hmm? Yes? Can it
No,
be?
sir.
No. Okay. So the hint was this perpendicular distance from this center over here. Okay. Now, can I say that this angle over here is 45? Yes? This angle is 45? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can I find this length AP if I call this Q within this triangle APQ? What is this length AQ? Yes, this length is 2. And I want to find this length AP. Can I say this is going to be sine 45, that is equal to AP over 2. And you know that sine 45 is 1 over under root 2, or it is also under root 2 over 2. And this is AP over 2. 2's are cancelled. So your AP is under root 2. So if I keep this point as R over here, so what is the distance PR? Hmm?
Under root 2 minus 1.
Yes, this should be the answer. Under root 2 minus 1. Okay. You must be,
Sir,
yeah, yeah. Yes,
जी
yes.
sir, can you please explain the last part again? ये जो आपने AP की बात की है.
Uttar, what is AR? What is AR? Mariam, what is AR? That
Sir,
is,
I'm not
that is
sure.
one beta. That is a radius. Come on, yaar. Mariam, क्या है यार?
Sir,
This
sir, अच्छा ठीक है,
AR is
okay sir.
1 and your
जी,
AP is under root 2. So this distance PR between these two, that is under root 2 minus 1. That is your simple O-level mathematics, yaar. Come on.
अच्छा ठीक है sir, ठीक.
भाई लड़ो,
Okay
पूछो,
sir, okay.
लड़ो, कोई गोली फेंको मेरी तरफ, बम फेंको, समझ आए तुम्हें, अगर तुम्हें नहीं समझ आ रहा तो.
नहीं sir, अब आ गया, ठीक
ओके
है.
ओके बेटा, देखें आप लोग जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही होती है ना, यू पीपल नेवर डिस्कस द इश्यूज, यू आर जस्ट सिटिंग साइलेंटली एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू गाइस हैव सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स हियर. So if you are doing actually with the pen and the paper, then you might have lesser number of problems here. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next problem now.